by the top management team, our chairman sir, our managing trustee madam and our managing director sir. In a few moments, there will be a small formal event, and then I will hand over for the rest of the proceedings to Shri Sunil Patel sir for conducting the 45-minute common yoga protocol, which has been derived as a culmination, as a summation of all the yoga techniques that are prevalent across the world today, be it the Iyengar yoga or be it the art of living or the Isha yoga or whatever yoga you may, Hatha yoga, all these techniques have been brought together and a very simple exercise. This has nothing, let me tell you, all our international foreign students, let me make it very clear with so much of happiness. It is the biggest misconception that yoga has anything to do with religion. Yoga has nothing to do with religion. Rather, it is more about spirituality. It is about healing the body, mind, and soul. It only helps you to evolve as the better human being that you were yesterday. So thank you once again, all the respected principals of the colleges and schools of the Big Sigma family. Thank you once again, all our beloved young future sportspersons, the members of the Mauryan Sports Academy, the team from Gujarat State Yoga Board, all our faculty members, our top management team. I welcome you all, and on behalf of you all, I welcome Shri Amar Petiwale sir, who is with us as our guest of honor. We are indeed privileged, and with your permission, sir, I would like to also make a public announcement now that everybody knows. But it's a great moment for me to share this news with you. Mauryan Sports Academy has been recognized officially by the Baroda Cricket Association. The iCards have been officially issued to our young cricketers, the Sachin Tendulkars and Mahis and the Virats of tomorrow, the Ravindra Jadejas, and very soon we will be entering under the title of Mauryan Sports Academy. We will be competing in competitive cricket in the under 14 category as of now. I must mention the wonderful work that is being done under the tutelage of our coach, Shri Naval Khopkar, along with our sports teacher from Mauryan and Sigma Public School, Shri Hardik Mistry. It's a wonderful morning, and one most important announcement that I would like to make, that this event, rather we may be just a few in terms of physical numbers right now at this moment, but we are joined by thousands of students from the colleges and from schools live through our official YouTube channel. Let us have a round of applause for our chairman sir, our managing trustee ma'am, and our managing director sir. Thank you so much, Dr. Harsh Shah, Dr. Shreya Shah, and Dr. Jigar Patel sir, for making it convenient. Before you take your positions, I would humbly request Amar Petiwale sir to please be with us. I would also request our CEO, Shri Milind Choksi sir, to please come here. And I would request Shri Sunil Patel sir, the yoga guru, to please be with us for a few moments. Thank you, sir. A small welcome with flowers for our guests I would request the volunteer team to please bring in the flowers and felicitate. I would